What's that? So much patty. A lot of patty.
Patties, 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 and more patties. Let me open it slowly for you.
Let me see.
Oh God!
I love it. So much patty.
Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, I am here editing and just realized that this vlog have no intro, because some random footage that I put together to create a vlog. So I'm coming on to intro it for you guys of some special moment we captured, and baby's here sitting beside me, laying beside me, chilling. Hopefully you guys will enjoy it though. If you do, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and hope you guys enjoy my excitement of what you're about to see into this vlog. I'm guessing by the title you guys know what you'll be getting through today's vlog. So grown with that thing over your head. Who are you? Who are you representing?
This is my name.
It says Ninja Tyler. He's been walking around in the house like this from morning with this thing around his head. He says he's a ninja. Show me some of your ninja moves. Wait, wait. Go again, go again.
Oh.
Go again, show me some of your ninja moves. Oh! Sarah, get down. Alright, ninja, let's do the ninja haul.
Okay.
Ninja, sir! You guys,
Ninja
we just
Mama.
got back from
Ninja Mama. I love you, Ninja Mama.
I love you too, my little Ninja Tyler. We just got back from the fruits and vegetables store. Yes, Tyler.
One day I'm going to make one of these for you.
Okay, I'll appreciate it. We just got back from the fruits and vegetables store, so let's show you guys a little of the things that we picked up, right? The usual
celery for the powerful green juice to attack all the bad guys.
There we go.
Right,
celery.
Mama?
Good job.
It's to attack all the bad guys.
And this one?
Pumpkin.
Good job. This one?
Lemon.
Good job.
I don't know why you buy lemon, Mama. It's sour. I don't like lemon. Ninja don't eat lemon.
You're funny. Who love lemon and honey?
Me.
Stand properly.
Yeah, I love lemon and honey.
Yeah, but the lemon is not just for you and you love lemon. It's because you turned ninja today why you no longer love lemon?
Oh.
Oh. Ah, that's a question. It's because you turned ninja why you no longer love lemons?
Yes.
You're too funny. What is this?
Ninja is never funny.
What is this?
I don't know, Ninja Mama.
It's corn.
Okay, Ninja Mama. My favorite.
What is it?
This is my favorite. Pineapple. Pineapple. And you know something? Is that Ninja eat pineapple? And it's healthy for Ninja.
I think so too. Alright, what is this?
It looks like potato.
It is potato.
Oh.
And I have to hurry up.
What's this
Throwing
What's
down.
this fries?
I don't know. Because that's what it's used to me. What's this?
Ninja
Hurry, I have to
apple.
go to your sister. What is it?
Ninja apple.
Ninja apple. What is this?
I don't know.
Ninja tomatoes.
Ninja tomato?
Mm-hmm.
So why the tomato is so small?
Because it's cherry tomato. What's this?
Oh. Ninja king.
Good job. What's this?
I don't know. It
Ninja
looks like a ball.
avocado.
Oh, I don't like avocado. Ninja.
No, you don't like avocado. It makes you gag. You're gonna fall.
Gag?
Stand properly. Stand on the step.
Gag?
Yes. What's this?
Cucumber for the energy green juice.
And the last one. You have to guess.
Can you give me a hint?
It's orange.
Easy.
What?
Orange.
No.
Give me a hint.
You're cheating. It starts with a P.
Orange. And B.
Let go of my
Sweet potato.
Yes. I was expecting you to say patat juice. That's why I said it starts with a P.
Oh, when
Sweet potato.
you do that, I was cheating.
You peep. You're a cheater? You're a cheater?
No, I peep. I peep.
You peep.
Yes.
Did you cheat?
No, I'm not a cheater.
You're not a cheater?
No, I'm not.
You're too funny.
Ninja never cheat.
Ninja never cheat.
Yeah.
Anyway, you guys, there goes the end of the little haul.
And make sure to subscribe on the ninja vlog. Thank you to subscribe and make sure to like and press the like button. Bye.
I have to come show off. I have to come show off. Tyler coming to show off too. He's so excited. Why are you so excited? Should I show them what we have? Some people are gonna get jealous because we're excited.
Daddy, that's why I'm excited. That's why I'm excited. Daddy, it's all for me.
Oh, show us.
It's all for
You
me.
guys, look what I have. Look what I have.
What's that? So much patty. A lot of patty.
Patties, and more patties. Let me open it slowly for you.
Let me see.
Oh, God!
I love it. So much patty.
You guys, wait. Let me breathe. And one is in the microwave right now, as you guys can hear. Let me breathe. And tell you guys what's going on. So, Auntie Jen, my friend Jen, Auntie Jen as Tyler love to call her, was in Jamaica. And she carried patty for me. That was my only request.
It's not only for Mama, me too. I'm a Jamaican.
And babe too. Because in
I'm
this
a
house,
Jamaican. You remember, every time you remember that I still walk one on and way after, that's
Okay.
me, I'm a
yeah.
Jamaican, so I
Yes, and you're a
patty.
Jamaican. Yes, we know that. It's for everybody. In this house, patty have to share equally because baby love patty, Tyler love patty. And should I give you an explanation about me? Y'all know that that's my kryptonite, patty. So we got the good stuff from Jamaica, straight from Tastees. And God, friend, and it's 1.5 box I get. So how much all in a one box? 12 and 6 are how much? 12 and 6 are how much, Tyler?
I don't know.
Whoa!
Banana.
Don't speak like that. Anyway, you guys, I don't even cook today because this is dinner.
We love this.
So thank you, Jen. And I'll be feasting for the next few days. And I'm not sure how long this is gonna last.
Me
But
love-
child,
We love this Auntie
it's going Auntie doll.
We love this, Auntie Jen.
Babes! Babe!
Yeah.
Hear me, babe. You're going to eat quinoa or patty for dinner?
Do you deserve an answer?
Mama.
Huh? Do you deserve an answer? The only thing you deserve is kicking your back. Kicking your back.
Mama, that is the answer.
Quinoa for you!
So why you put your bando like this?
I have to make you guys see me bite it. Who me gonna eat tonight? Who? So people for eat patty make it bun you go. Tell us, say, Mama, feel the pepper. Home, I'm home.
Mama,
Whew.
Mama, the first time I'm eating patty, and I'm a
Sorry, I'm gonna try Jamaican patty for the first time. Ah, Chigo. Chigo.
Mama, she could this me.
She always come back for food.
More?
Mama, I think she likes it. Mama,
Watch the mouth.
Mama, I think she likes
It's yummy?
Mama,
Mm.
I think she likes it.
Yes. Show them Taylor killing his.
Et toi? Waouh, il est où ton pâté? Dans ta tête? Dans ton ventre? Il est, il est où ton pâté? Il est dans le ventre à Tyler?
Attends, Mama.
Déjà? Tu aimes le pâté?
Eat up one already.
I ate that one already.
That's your second one?
Hopefully you guys enjoy. If you do, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification, that way you don't miss a video. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.